Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I decided to do a decoupage on this glass cutting board from the Dollar Tree using the beautiful Poinsettia napkins. If you're interested, stay tuned. This is a cutting board that I did a decoupage on, but it has some sparse areas, so I am going to do another one. And the items you're going to use is a glass cutting board, a napkin of your choice, foam brush, and Mod Podge. All these items can be found at the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my napkin down to size. I will not be including the border part of the napkin. I just want the actual poinsettias. So I'm going to take my cutting board and just measure out the napkin and leaving like maybe a 1/4 inch for the overhang. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V. My channel is called Saving with Miss V. That's because I like to show you ways, budget friendly ways to decorate your home, buy groceries, anything that deals with saving money. So I'm going to cut this napkin down to size and continue decoupaging. So I have it cut down to size. I'm going to separate the napkin. And as I was saying earlier, I focus on ways to help you save money. That's why I like to do these do-it-yourself projects, because they're very budget friendly, and plus it's your personal style of how you want to decorate your home. So if you like budget friendly content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and hit that bell icon twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So what I'm doing right here is adding my Mod Podge to the cutting board, giving it a nice smooth layer, and then I'll add my napkin. And I came up with a different technique for applying the napkin. I'm learning from my first decoupage because it has some very sparse areas. So what I'll do is, just as I add the napkin, pat the napkin down with my finger a little bit at a time, opposed to applying the entire napkin, because when you apply the entire napkin you get a lot of bubbles that would then result in some sparse areas, because when you're trying to get the bubbles out, it kind of tears your napkin, because remember, this napkin is very thin. Remember, I took the other layer off. So I like this second decoupage better, but I will be using both of them to decorate, but I just wanted to show you a different way to do it. And you also can seal the top of this cutting board with your Mod Podge. And when you put your Mod Podge on top of the napkin, do not brush it on, pat the Mod Podge on. So see my little overhang on the side? See the difference? See, you got some sparse areas. That was from me trying to get those bubbles out. And I tore the napkin in some spots, but it's still cute and I'll still use it. But this one is just a little bit better, and I like the texture, so I will not be trying to smooth it out, because the cutting board is not smooth. But if you do want to smooth it out, you get some saran wrap and wrap it in a ball and just slide it across your project. So you see the little overhang? I want my projects to look as professional as possible, even though they're do-it-yourself projects. So that's why I wanted the overhang. But that's okay.